Forward. Inside. Hands off. Inside. Hands down. Stand is. Attention. Stand is. Attention. Forward. Inside. Hands off. Inside. Hands down. Stand is. Attention. Stand is. Attention. Now let's get ready to Forward. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands up. Stand in. Attention. Stand in. Attention. Forward. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand in. Attention. Stand in. Attention.
Why did you just pause for a second? I don't know what the fuck. I mean, looks at me like. Should not you say something? You just look at me. Where did Vice go? Where did Vice go?
Who that last night? Roxy
I'm bugging.
fucking sunan ko mo sa rin na.
Bro, it's camel boss.
Gaurav, inside, and up, inside, and down. Studies, attention. Studies, attention. I would like to call the respected speakers to deliver their speech.
Lovely.
My school has nursery to class 10. My school has special education.
I said my school has smart board and just dipped.
Lovely. Why sounding lovely? Huh?
The combination of text, graphic, video, audio
Speak loud, maximum.
is called multimedia. Some elements of multimedia are text, audio, graphic, video, etc. Text is used to express information. Audio is used to visual noise, speak and language.
Just in the topic is power of silence.
Hey, class, wait, five, make it right.
Namaskar and everyone. Good morning to you all. Respected principal sir, vice principal sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Nissan Bhatta from grade 8, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of power of silence. Without wasting any time, I would like to start my topic, power of silence. In the world full of noises, silence has become very rare. We are always surrounded by noise of phones, people talking, cars driving and bikes. Yet silence is one of the strongest form of expression. Silence teaches us to listen properly and better. When we stay quiet, we understand others better than with words. We notice the feelings, emotions, and meanings that words often cannot. That the words often fails to express. Silence teaches us to understand ourselves. Sometimes silence is more important, especially when we are in the times of anger, sadness, or respect. By saying this much, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Gaurav, inside, hands up, inside, hands down. Studies, attention. Studies, attention. Gaurav, inside, hands up, inside, hands down. Studies, attention. Studies. Now I would like to call our respected vice principal sir to provide some information.
Thank you very much, School Vice Captain Eunice. Attention, cover up. Ramananda Vyakim. Inside. Stretch your hands. Haven't you done food? Hands up. Stretch. Very passive to inside. Stretch your hands. Inside. Hands down. Stand it. Attention. Stand it. To grade 4, 5, 6, 7. You will have your fourth evaluation test next week. 3 days will be separated. Today you will get the routine. And the subject teacher will give you the syllabus. You practice. And these are the best marks. Not only better, best marks. Grade 8. Your pre-BE is going on. Now you will have your final exam in Chaitra. I think today there is Samajik, so practice it. So tomorrow also you have got exam. Tomorrow your exam will be held during morning time, 8 to 10. Grade 9 and 10. Your pre-SE and pre-9, it will be held after election. So be prepared. That is pre, and later on you have got major exam on the month of Chaitra. Don't copy from others. Some copycats are here. What is written in the copy they don't know. They are just fulfilling the formality. What I am talking, Miss Khangar? Is that important? If you can come here. Utilize time, everybody. Single second is important. Those who waste time right now, later on, their whole life will be wasted. So full-fledged attention and discard your time in gadgets and increase the time in your subject matter. Tomorrow there will be coaching class for 8, 9, 10 only. Class 8 they will have got their exam. 9 and 10 coaching class. So 4 to 7 you will have your holiday. So today you will get a little bit more work. Holiday means little bit more work will be given so that you can utilize the time. Attention. Cover up. Inside. Hands up. Clap. Clap together. Inside. Hands down. Stand at it. Lift and bang on the ground. Attention. Stand at it. So today we have got a birthday boy from grade 4. Let's welcome him on the stage, Master Kshitiz Paudel. Now who is the class teacher from class 4? So you have to clap together, and if you know this message, you can sing together as well. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Subhatav janmadiva sarva mangalam, sarva mangalam, sarva mangalam. Jaya 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 tava siddha sadhanam, siddha sadhanam, siddha sadhanam. Sukha santi samriddhi chira jivanam, chira jivanam, chira jivanam. Subhatav janmadiva sarva mangalam, sarva mangalam, sarva mangalam. On this special occasion, entire Anupam family wishes Master Kshitiz Paudel, grade 4 students, a happy, healthy and prosperous time ahead. Let him have a long life, disease-free life, like those of Astra Chiranjeevis. Let's wish him in Western pattern. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Kshitiz. Happy birthday to you. Okay, now it's the time to hear the lovely speech from birthday boy.
Namaskar and good morning everyone. Let's do the practice. Principal sir, teacher, older sister and my dear friend. Today is my birthday. I'm so happy and thank you for
Class 5 are making noise. Why?
for my birthday. Thank you everyone.
Especially the students who are standing back side, they are making noise. So teachers are asked to stay at the last. First no problem. If we stay at last, then we can check those noise makers. Attention. Cover up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Standard is. So, handwriting teacher comes every week, but few students have not improved their handwriting till now. You have to write in Anupam pattern of handwriting. Everybody. If you could not find it, then you check in your diary. It's given the pattern. So good handwriting is the symbol of perfect education. Attention. Cover up. Inside. Hands up. Clap. Yeah, everyone. You are clapping for your betterment, not for others. Inside. Hands down. Standard. Attention. March time. Okay, class for girls, move forward.